y'all, this is Nisha. Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be learning how to make my strawberry and brown sugar lip scrub. A lip scrub is perfect for exfoliating lips and hydrating and moisturizing the lips after exfoliating. So first we're going to start off with a clean bowl. I usually start off with 3 to 4 scoops of organic sugar. So everything in this video that I list is optional. You can use whatever oils you like, sugars you like, gels you like, anything. You don't necessarily have to follow my recipe. Make it your own, sis. That's what makes your brand stand out, by making it your own. Here I'm adding in coconut oil. Coconut oil is perfect for making the skin soft, hydrating the lips. I love it. This is perfect. So here I'm adding some aloe vera gel. I usually add about 3 to 4 tablespoons. It depends on the consistency and the texture that I want. Later on in the video you'll be able to see the texture and consistency that I like to have, but it's all up to you. It's optional. Do what you like. Now I'm going to give everything a good mix. I'm just speeding it up here because it does take a while sometimes, and it's a lot of work on the arms, just to let you know. But it comes out perfect. It's perfect for your customers. I love it. Okay, so here I'm just checking out the consistency. I usually like to pick a little bit up in my finger and smush it, and if it stays in place, that means this is perfect texture for me. Also, you can tell on my glove that you still see all the oils, and all that will be absorbed into the skin. Here I'm adding a flavoring. This is a strawberry flavoring. It's a very strong scent, so I really love this, and it's strawberry, so it'll give that full strawberry snow cone type of scent. I love it. My customers love it. This is my top selling lip scrub. Okay, so here I'm taking a toothpick and using some gel food coloring. I recommend that you don't use a liquid food coloring because sometimes that can seep into the client's skin, and you don't want that. You don't want people complaining about having colored fingers after doing their lip scrub. You don't want that. So I use a gel coloring. It rinses right off. It doesn't stain the skin, and it's perfect. I usually add a little bit. This is a Christmas red that I'm using here. They have a bright red. Whatever colors you like, you can use. Then I'll start to stir it and get everything incorporated and come out with the full color. So this is the perfect red for me. I love that bright red, that strawberry smelling. People love to eat this. I don't recommend eating it, but people love to eat this. I hear people all the time tell me that they eat this product all the time. But this is perfect. This is a perfect texture. As you can see here, perfect texture. I love it. And now we're going to get into our brown sugar lip scrub. In this scrub, I like to add 2 cups of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, right along with the coconut oil and the aloe vera gel. You can add vitamin E, you can add grapeseed oil, you can add jojoba oil, whatever oils you like that you prefer, you can add those into your scrubs. Here I'm adding some brown sugar flavoring, which is just like the strawberry flavoring, but it gives a brown sugar hint. It gives more of a brown sugar hint, and I love it. It smells so good. Now I'm just stirring it up and giving it a good mix. Make sure everything is incorporated and blend it well together. So here I'm adding in some brown coloring, gel coloring into the brown sugar mixture. And this is going to give it that brown sugar look, a darker look. I don't want the chocolate chip look. I like to have that dark brown sugar look, which is perfect for the lips. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the perfect consistency for me. It's flat, it's not moving, and it's a dry scrub, but it's also hydrating and moisturizing with those oils. So here I'm just adding the strawberry and the brown sugar lip scrubs into their containers. These are the containers that my customer buy. I usually get my containers from Alibaba, from my vendor. But you can get some from Amazon, you can get some from Walmart, you can get some from anywhere. It depends on what your brand need. As you can see here, I like to use the small end of my spatula to press all of the product in and to be able to give my customers the most product in that container. Okay, so guys, this is the last step here. I like to take a Clorox wipe and wipe around my containers just to get off all that excess sugar or product that might have gotten onto the container and on the lid. I'll take the lid and screw it on, and then I'll wipe the outside of the full container with the Clorox wipe. And from there, you will just do the same thing with all other flavors that you make. I also add my logo to the top. I usually use stickers that I get from Avery.com. And I'll just add my logo to the top just to make sure that you brand all of your products. That's very important, to brand all of your products. If you feel like, sis, I don't have time to make all of this, I'm booked and busy, that's fine. I make this wholesale. Luckily for you, whatever flavor you want, that you desire, you can purchase on my website. The link will be in the description below. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the support. You'll see more of me. You'll hear from more of me. And until then, have a blessed one.